Здравейте, приятели! Hello, friends! Здравей! Здрасти! Welcome back to another video from Speak Bulgarian with Bella. Are you looking for a flat to rent in Bulgaria? Then stay tuned because I have prepared an example questions and an imaginary dialogue for you in Bulgarian that will definitely help you out if you are calling to the landlord and want to arrange a viewing. In today's video, we are talking about how to call and what to say to the owner of the flat you would like to rent. If you are new here, you want to learn Bulgarian through amusing and out-of-the-box methods, make sure to subscribe to this channel for a new video every week. It is very important to subscribe because this way you will be able to download additional resources I provide in the description and in the comments below of the videos. And also you will be able to answer my drills and interact in the comments below the video. So it is really essential that you subscribe. So without further ado, let's dive in. Bulgaria and how to speak with the landlord by phone in Bulgarian. It will be useful especially if you are looking to live in a smaller town where English is not spoken by the natives. In one of my previous videos from the audio series called Learn How to Book a Taxi by Phone in Bulgaria, I helped you with an example dialogue for booking a taxi by phone. For those new to the channel, I recommend this video and you can watch it as well. It must appear on the upper right corner, so don't hesitate to go and watch it. Start with the lesson. The topic today is how to find a flat in Bulgaria and how to speak with the landlord in Bulgarian. Квартири в България. Renting in Bulgaria. Квартири в България. So, on the right hand of the screen, here, you will see a dialogue. The first line is in Bulgarian, and the second line is the translation in English. On the other side of the screen, on the left side of the screen, you will see some prompts of correct pronunciation. For example, Здравейте, it comes with its correct pronunciation and in brackets explained the transcription. Добър ден, so that you read it easily. Okay, so let's get started. Здравейте. Try to repeat and pronounce with me, but at the same time looking at the sheet. Okay, we are now looking at the left side of the sheet, just right here where my mouse is moving. Здравейте. Здравей. This is the greeting I'm also saying in the start of my videos. Здравейте. Здравей. Здравейте for you in plural. Здравей for you in singular. Добър ден. Добър ден. Good morning and good afternoon. It's rather good afternoon, I would say, because we have only добро утро, which is good morning, and добър ден is all day long, till the night comes. So let's read out again. Здравейте, добър ден. And here the dialogue starts. Ало, търся Петя. We are reading here. Okay, and this is the start of the first sentence of what would the tenant say. Ало, търся Петя. Ало, добър ден, търся Петя. Okay, so the way that you should use this sheet is first looking on the left side and try to read out and pronounce correctly, and then going to the right side of the sheet and trying to read the dialogue. Okay? Същата на телефона. Същата на телефона. And in the dialogue, the text says, Ало, да, същата на телефона. Кажи, кажете. Кажи is the imperative form of the verb казвам. The imperative form for the singular. Кажете is the imperative form for the plural. Кажи, кажете. Ало, да, същата на телефона. Кажете. So usually if we don't know the people, we usually speak with the formal, with the plural formal form. Здравейте, Петя, says the tenant. Здравейте, Петя. Обажда се Ирена. Обажда се Ирена. По обявата във Фейсбук. По обявата във Фейсбук. За двустайния апартамент под наем. За двустайния апартамент под наем в квартал Лозенец, София. So here we'll read out again. Здравейте, Петя. Обажда се Ирена. По обявата в Фейсбук за двустайния апартамент под наем в квартал Лозенец, София. So I guess this is a long sentence and we will need to repeat it again. Здравейте, Петя. Hello, Петя. Обажда се Ирена. It's Irena calling. По обявата в Facebook regarding the ad posted on Facebook. За двустайния апартамент под наем в квартал Лозенец, София. Вие ли сте собственика? Are you the landlord? Вие ли сте собственика? Да, аз съм собственика. Аз съм собственика. Yes, I am the landlord. Още ли се отдава под наем? Още ли е на разположение? Is it still for rent? Is it still available? Е на разположение. Repeat with me. Е на разположение. Е на разположение. Още ли е на разположение? Още ли се отдава под наем? Is it still for rent? Да, приемат се огледи все още. Приемат се огледи все още. Да, приемат се огледи все още. Yes, viewing is still possible. Кога ще е възможно да го видя? When will it be possible to view it? Кога ще е възможно да го видя? Кога ще е възможно да го видя? Можете ли да ми кажете подробности по телефона? Can you tell me details by phone? Можете ли да ми кажете? Можете ли да ми кажете? Можете ли да ми кажете подробности по телефона? Подробности по телефона? Подробности по телефона? Да, разбира се. Разбира се. Разбира се. Какво ви интересува да знаете като подробности? Да, разбира се. Какво ви интересува да знаете като подробности? Sure, what details would you like to know? Да, разбира се. Какво ви интересува да знаете като подробности? Напълно ли е обзаведен? Напълно ли е обзаведен? Is it fully furnished? Напълно ли е обзаведен? Is it fully furnished? Позволяват ли се животни? Позволяват ли се животни? Are pets allowed? Позволяват ли се животни? Как е квартала? How is the neighborhood? Как е квартала? And once again, to revise the difficult word подробности, and repeat it. Подробности по телефона. Details by phone. Подробности по телефона. Подробности. Подробности. This was the first part of the lesson, how to find a flat and how to call the landlord. landlord in Bulgarian. The video is too long already, so I will make this in two parts. Stay tuned for next week when we will continue from where we finished today. Bye! Thanks for watching and thanks for listening. The topic of this video was how to find a flat in Bulgaria and what to say to the flat landlord to arrange a viewing. In Bulgarian it sounds kvartiri v Bulgaria. I hope you found it useful and interesting. Give it a like if so. And bear in mind, this video might help a friend of yours to learn Bulgarian. So make sure to share it with your friends. Subscribe again, hit the bell button below. I'll be looking forward to your comments. Ciao, do skoro!